this is Stephanie with Northridge Roofing. We are out here at 106 Greystone doing a storm inspection or roof inspection on the 31st of March. So I just kind of want to show you what it was that I found. So first that concerned me was the granule loss that you have in your gutters. So all of this stuff that's in here is actually supposed to be up on your roof. So as you can see that there's quite a bit of it. So it goes all the way across here, and it's on a couple of your gutters this way to where the gutters are actually filling up with the granules that are supposed to be on your roof. So let's go take a look and see what else we find. Give me 1 second here while I scurry on up the roof for you. All right. Okay, so took me a second to figure it out, but you guys have sustained some hail damage. My most concerning, pretty sure you guys are aware, is that with the granule loss, your ridges and your roof is really exposed to the elements, leaving it vulnerable to water penetration and those types of things. So on just about all of the edges of your ridges, you're looking at holes that have been caused due to the lack of granules and the bending of the shingles and just wind and damage over time, as you can see here. So I can pretty much stick this thing right down in there, and really that's where the decking comes together on your ridge and exposes the rest of your attic to wind and water and, well, critters really. So let's see if I can get turned around here real quick. It's kind of scary on your ridges. Those are usually safer spots. It does look like something has hit your roof at one point in time or another. As you can see here, all the granules just kind of kicked off really fast, usually from an impact of some sort. You've got some wind-blown shingles, as you can see across there, but really my major concern was the loss of granules along your ridge line. As you can see, these shingles should actually look just like these shingles. However, there's no granules left, getting all the way down to the fiberglass matting. It's hard to tell with an architectural shingle what's been hit by hail, especially when it's really small. This area has taken a pummeling over time since these were put on from the hail. You can actually see it a little better if I can get across over here. And we'll go ahead and slide down over here so you can see it. All right. Whoop. So as you can see here, see how all the little indentions and the dent marks in your soft metals? Basically what's happened is everything that's hit that has hit your roof one point in time or another, which is causing all those granules to fall off of the roof at a rapid pace. Also, due to a lack of ventilation, it's causing them to blister. So it is causing your roof to deteriorate rather quickly. So unfortunately, you are going to need a new roof, especially around your ridges and your hips, very, very soon. Because what happens is that as those shingles start to deteriorate and the wind starts to whip them away, this is what they start to look like, where the actual shingle pulls away from the rest of the roof, and it'll just start whipping around in the wind until eventually it just comes right off, and you can see the crease right there. But because of the lack of ventilation, you have quite a bit of blistering as well, and it's getting very serious. So you can actually kind of stick your finger right in there, and that'll lead to allow water to get in around those penetration points around your nails. The nails actually penetrate the decking in your attic, and they leak very slowly but surely. So in my professional opinion, we'll want to get something done with your roof sooner than later. So I'll be down in just a few moments to discuss.